Puddin! So we are on our way to the premiere of Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn. In case you haven't noticed, I am in simple Harley Quinn inspired makeup. So really excited to see it. Lots of positive reviews earlier this year when premiered in Mexico. They had their special red carpet premiere there with the entire cast. So we're on our way to SM Mega Mall. That's where the screening is going to be, and there's going to be cosplayers, and I think there's going to be some sort of program. So let's see what they have in store for us. So that's it for now. If you guys have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do, and don't forget to click on like for the video, and also on the bell so that you get notified whenever we have new videos. So that's it for now. Mark it on your calendars. Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn is in cinemas February 6th. And we are here at IMAX SM Mall for the premiere of Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn. We are excited, we are stoked, and we're just getting ready for waiting for the guests to arrive. They're going to be cosplayers, and I overheard a bit of a dance number, so that is something that you will see later on. So catch you guys soon.
Hi, Ika. Dito to ang chismis. We're friends.
And the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn, and there's just so many things going on right now in my head. I'm still trying to process the movie, but what I can say is it's definitely super fun and crazy. It's kind of like you're inside Harley's head, and that can be pretty crazy if you can just imagine. And as a woman, I was really able to relate to the movie. There were a lot of those scenes. There are a lot of scenes in the movie that actually spoke about women being abused, different forms of abuse, really not just physical, sexual, but even being in a relationship. So, but aside from that, all the action sequences are just absolutely amazing and bonkers crazy because it was just so beautiful to watch. And the storytelling itself was very interesting. It did not follow your traditional linear format, but sort of goes back and forth. And as I said, it's kind of been crazy like Harley, but it's fun watching them come together, all of the pieces in the end. So that's all that I'm saying for now. And I can give you a hint. There are no post-credit scenes. Well, at least for this screening that I'll be coming out with a full review soon. In the meantime, mark your calendar